A great man once said, "Make your life a dream and a dream a reality." Bring your dreams to life by joining the IMA, the Institute of Aeronautical Maintenance. We are located in the airport area of Bordeaux and our establishment is open to students who have passed their A-levels or high school diploma. It is also open to students who have already completed 2 years of higher education studies in scientific disciplines practiced in the aeronautic and transport industries. 2 levels of training are offered: a professional bachelor in aeronautical maintenance with a 3-year higher education diploma and a master in systems engineering for aeronautics and transport. These 2 trainings may be completed via an apprenticeship program or via a training course. After your secondary level education, a 5-year training course is possible with the Engineering Master course that leads to engineer positions. 4 specialized subjects are on offer at the IMA: Avionics and Airborne Systems, Aeronautical and Spacecraft Structures, Engineering and Composite Structures, and finally, Engineering of Embedded Electronic Systems. Aeronautical maintenance is the best way to make sure your career takes off in the right direction. Come and live your passion with us.